Hello and welcome to the series of Python. So today we are going to write our first program, and we are also going to discuss why Python has become so popular day by day. So Python has become so popular day by day and is rising to fame in the recent times as well because it has an easy syntax, and it is also and many app developers and websites have been developed using this language. Some people use Flask, some people use Django, but the language is same. So I would rather say that the language in itself doesn't matter. Like if you know Python very well, then you will be able to. Then it won't be hard to shift to C++ or Java. But the thing that matters is how well you know the language. So let's begin writing our first program, which is printing hello world. Print, so we simply write print, then parenthesis or bracket, and then inverted commas, and then we write the word we need to print. Like right now we need to print hello world. Then we simply press run, or we can also press Ctrl and enter together. So this is how we print hello world. Oh, the spelling is wrong. Alright, so this is how we print hello world. But if you want to print a number or integer like 4, so if you want you can mention inverted commas, but if you want you can write it without inverted commas as well, because Python has already stored these integers, so it is able to print it without mentioning we are able to print it without mentioning inverted commas. So we will be discussing about data types in our next video. If we want, we can also print it we can also print 4 like this, and hello world also we can print like that. Hello world, that's fine as well without mentioning print, but there will be mention of these single inverted commas. Okay, so if you haven't downloaded any platform where you can run your code and type it as well, so you can see our last video in which we have given in which we gave a tutorial to download Visual Studio, PyCharm and various other platforms to write your code and type your code and run it. Okay, so that was all for today. So in the next video we'll be discussing about data types. Thank you.